And this is how it looks like from the inside. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We don't know we're going to be the G35, but I love as well. Now today we're going to tackle this thing right here, which a lot of you like it and a lot of you hate it, which is these letters right here. It says The Dark Knight Rises, meaning this this build right here that I have on it has a Batman theme. Here is the thing that I have right here. I bought it off of eBay. This is 40 by 4. Now, I actually want it like 40 by 5 or 40 by 6, but I got it at such a huge discount that I was like, yeah, you know what? This is good enough. I think 4 inches is good enough. That's what she said. This is how it looks like from the inside. As you can see, the letters are way much bigger than The Dark Knight Rises. And I can actually see my name, my channel name. It looks pretty cool. So this is my view right now. You guys can see my name and the car right here. Pretty awesome. I like it.